And with our main course ready, we can now start on the side dish. Luckily, most of the ingredients are actually shared between the two, so I can use the same basil from before. Of course, we need fresh mozzarella for this one, so that was different. Let's see. The total for all of this ended up being only $10.53. So not even that bad for a good side. The first thing we need to do is actually get our pasta boiling. So I will go ahead and get that started, and then we can cut up all of our vegetables for this one. And while that's going, we can start cutting up our tomatoes. Luckily, this is pretty straightforward. We just cut our tomatoes and our spider eggs in half, and then we're good, I think. How do you open this thing? Balls! Oh. Should I cut these hot dog style or hamburger style? Hot dog style, of course, because I love hot dogs so much. Sure you noticed already, but I was using the tricolor rotini because I wanted colors. Oops. At this point, we just add the dressing in, which is pretty straightforward, but I only have balsamic dressing, or balsamic vinegar. I don't have any red wine vinegar, so I just put that in instead of the balsamic glaze. So here's our balsamic and olive oil ratio. Everything else, you don't really need to measure, like 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Do you really need 1 teaspoon? I doubt that's even enough. So I can just, where is it? Put some in by hand. I'll wait for that. And then our usual salt and pepper. At this point, we're done, so we can serve it. So let's go ahead and put our bowl together. So since I had some leftover Parmesan, I put that on top too, but you definitely don't have to do that. Other than that, you could just top it with basil. But yeah, this one's pretty straightforward, so feel free to try it out, modify whatever you want. Let me know how it goes for you. So only one main thing about this one, there were a lot of tomatoes, but not really a lot of the mozzarella, so I think if you put a second mozzarella thing in there, it would have a better ratio. But I mean, that's just my preference because I like cheese. But other than that, this one was pretty good. So feel free to try it out.